Okay, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Sujay. This is my 2 is my x coordinate and y is, sorry, 2 is x coordinate, 3 is y coordinate. So
Okay, sir.
first I must look on x. So I'll be having here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2, minus number, negative numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Here also I'll be having all positives.
Yes, sir.
Here also I'll be having all negatives,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So first you just look at what exactly you have of x coordinate. X coordinate is what here? 2.
Two.
So I just must mark on 2 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or you just take 2 here, point like this, you put a dot. And what is my y coordinate? 3. You put a
Yes,
dot
sir.
on 3 here. Straight to 3. This and this supposed to be straight.
Okay, sir.
3 here, 2 here. So this point, the point of intersection of these two lines is my 2 comma 3 position. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The point of intersection of 2 comma 3 is my position of 2 comma
Okay,
3.
okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
Clear? I asked you 2. 2 means x. On x I have to plot 2, and y I have to plot 3. So 3 is straight here, this straight. The point of intersection of these two lines is my position of this. This position is this one. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Basically, see, everyone should turn on your videos. I'm telling you, everyone, everyone must turn on your video. I should not ask you again and again same thing. You don't make me to repeat the same thing again and again. Great. Okay. Now I'll give a simple question here. Look at this here. If x comma y, if 2a minus b comma 4a plus b is equal to minus 3 comma 4, then find the values of a and b. Make it fast. Make it fast.
So to tell you the answer, sir.
Post your answers in chat. Post your answers privately. Make it fast. Let's see how many of you are going to solve this. Make it fast. Okay, Pius has given the answer. Kaji has given the answer. Let us check. Time up. Time up. See here. Now, I'm just telling that this one is equal to this one. This is my ordered pair. This ordered pair is equal to this ordered pair. Which means what? Can I write like this? So which means I can equate this corresponding positions of this ordered pair. Abscissa is equal to abscissa and ordinate is equal to ordinate. I can just equate that, right? So what in first ordered pair, what is my abscissa? 2a minus b is equal to
2a
minus
minus
3
b.
and 4a plus b is equal to 4. So this
4.
is what I got, two equations. So if I, one second. So what is that? 2a minus b is equal to minus 3 I got. 4a plus b is equal to plus 4 I got. So I'm asking you to find a and b, right? So how can I find it out? If I add these two equations, so can't I get? Can't I get? Won't be able to get? C plus b minus b will get cancelled. So 6a, right? Sorry, 6a is equal to 1. Clear? Piyush, your answer is wrong. A is equal to what? 1 by 6. Clear? If A is equal to 1 by 6, then what is going to be? Let us consider this is my first equation. Let us consider this is my second equation. Solving equation 1 and 2, I'm getting this. Clear? Any doubt here? Tell me.
No, sir.
Any one of you.
No, sir.
So I got A is equal to 1 by 6. If I get A is equal to 1 by 6, now let me substitute A equation, value of A. Now
Sir, B
substitute
is 6.
A is equal to 1 by 6 in first equation. Clear? So 2a minus b is equal to minus 3 I got. So 2 into 1 by 6 minus b is equal to minus 3. So clear? So 2 ones, 2 threes. So 1 by 3 plus 3 is equal to b. I'm just shifting this side and this one this side. Clear? So I'm getting, I need to get, so 10 by 3 is equal to b. So 10 by 3 is equal to b. So b is what? 10 by 3. How b is equal to 6, man? Who is that? Kavya, wrong answer.
Sir, B is equal to.
How? Wrong answer, Kavya. 10 by 3 is absolutely correct.
Sir, I did not understand the question.
Sir, but if you solve the like for second situation, sir.
See, you might have heard about abscissa and ordinate, right? What is ordered pair?
Yes, sir. Can you solve for A plus B?
1 second. What is ordered pair? If I
Sir,
take a comma b is a coordinate, a comma b, a comma b is my coordinate points, right? Coordinates. A comma b is a coordinates. So what is my coordinate here? X coordinate. This is my y coordinate. Clear? So x coordinate and y coordinate. If I have, so here x coordinate is called as what? Abscissa.
Abscissa and
Ordinate. See here, what has been given in the question? If this ordered pair is equal to this ordered pair, then find the values of a and b. I'm just giving the question in my own language. Simple thing. Here, look at this here. So this ordered pair is equal to this one. So what is my abscissa here? This is my abscissa. So this abscissa can be equal to this abscissa now.
Yes.
And this ordinate can be equal to this ordinate. If I equate and solve the equations, I'll be getting a and b values. Clear? So see, till that everyone might have understood. The only doubt is solving the equations. Clear? That is what your doubt. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Now, 1 second. Yes. Look at this here. I'm just solving equation 1 and 2. What I'm doing here, solving equation 1 and 2 is, let me repeat the question. Let me repeat the answer here. Let me solve equation 1 and 2 again. See here, I'm just equation 1 plus 2. I'm adding equation 1 plus 2. You can do like this also. If I add, so what I'm getting here? Look at this here. 2a minus b plus 3 . I'm adding equation 1 plus 2. If I add, what will I get here? 2a minus b is equal to minus 3. Clear? 4a plus b is equal to plus 4. See, I'm this adding these together. What I'm doing, I'm adding these two. So plus b minus b, how much? 0.
0.
2a plus 4a, 6a
6.
is equal to minus 3 plus 4, 1. 6a plus 0, 6a is equal to 1. A is equal to what now? 1 by 6. Clear? That's how I got 1 by 6 here. Any doubts now?
Sir, but
And-
why do we need to add? We can take A as minus 3 and B as 4.
How will you? How can you write like that?
Means we can take the value like that. No?
You can take anything, ma. I just gave a simple example over there. I just gave a simple
Excuse me,
example.
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, if you like substitute the value of 1 by 6 in 4, then you are getting b as 6, sir. Like 4 into 1 by 6 plus b is equal to
Okay.
4.
1 second. So you are getting that one. Let us check. Is it so? You are getting. We'll check it out. So 4a plus b is equal to 4. I have. So a value what I got here 1 by 6 plus b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 minus 2 by 3. So again I'm getting same 12 minus 2 by 3. B is equal to 10 by 3. Same answer.
Sir, but why don't we should not take the reciprocal of 2 by 3, sir, while taking it to another side?
Why receive day Tambi, look at this here. Why do we need to take that? See here, I have here two twos, two threes. So what I got here 2 by 3 plus b is equal 4. So why do we need you are taking minus 3 by 2 here?
Yes, sir.
Why will you take like that? Basic calculation, man. Why do we need to take that reciprocating over there? If you have fraction, then you can take it out. If you have two fractions like this, x by y divided by a by b, then you can take reciprocating of denominator. This will be reciprocating
Sir,
and you'll be getting b by a here.
sir,
That
if
is
it is
different concept.
multiplication,
That is,
then no?
we are not talking about that concept right now. So here it is plus 2 by 3. If I shift to the right hand side, I'll be getting minus 2 by 3. So b is going to be now 4 3 is 12 minus 2 by 3, which is going to be 10 by 3.
sir, but like if you suppose substitute a value inside the first equation, like 2a, like a equal to b minus 3 by 2 like that, then you're getting different answer.
Which answer you are talking about? Which one? First equation?
Yes, sir. Suppose like suppose we are taking a value of a variable, like we are just equating it, like a equal to b minus 3 by 2 like that.
So
And
if
then
I
if we substitute.
see, I have 2a minus b is equal minus 3. Okay, 2a minus b is equal minus 3. Now what you are saying here?
Sir, we can just change the sides and we can find the value of a, right?
See,
So,
1 second, 1 second. How will you find? If you have two unknown variables here, how will you find one variable? That is what my
yes,
question.
sir. So I was just simplifying the value.
Look at this here. 2a is equal b plus, sorry, b minus
3.
3. Now a is equal b minus 3 by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is what. Now a cannot be like that, right? This is my equation, but I need a proper value. I need an exact value. I need answer in integer. I need answer in rational
Yeah.
number. If I ask
Yes,
you,
sir. But the thing is, like when you just replace this value in the second equation, then you're getting a different answer.
which one? This one?
Yeah.
Look at this. So a is equal b minus 3 by 2, right? Let us substitute in the second equation. What is the second equation was?
4a plus b equal to 4.
So 4 into b minus 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 4. You are making so complicated here. So no need of doing all this. I just told you a simple method. You follow that. Look at this here. 4 into b, 4b. You will get same answer again. 4 into b, 4b minus 12. By what?
2.
Why you are making 2 here? Can we
Because
see here?
3
Can,
Can I cancel here? 2 ones, 2 twos?
yeah.
So 2b minus 6 plus b is equal to 4. So 2b plus 1b how much? 3b. 4 plus 6 B is equal to 10 by 3. Again same. How will you do? Ulta, palta. How will you do? Whether you are doing ulta, palta, you are going to get the same answer. See here. Now you was like this. Now you became like this. That's all. Clear my point? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Ulta. Same. See, however you do, you will be getting the same answer. Clear my point? Did you get now same answer? Did we get the same answer
Yes,
or
sir.
not, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. See, I'll give one more question here. Let me write one more question. If 4x plus y minus 5x plus minus 6 is equal to minus 8 comma 10, then find x and y. Make it fast. Tell me the answer.
Sir, for 5x minus 6, there is no y, right?
Sorry, 6y.
Okay, sir.
Now you solve it. Make it fast. Solve the question quickly.
Sir, I sent the question. Sir, I sent the answer.
You send the answer.
Sir,
Wrong answer. This is the homework for everyone. Homework. Clear? Take this
sir,
question as a
like
homework.
how? Sir, like is it wrong? Like, can you? So I'll. Sir,
See, you have to solve these two equations. These two linear equations.
they're in two variables, sir. So you can solve it.
Very simple. Very simple. See here, let us take this my first equation. Let us take this as my second equation. See here, I need to cancel any one. I need to cancel any one variable for getting a single, for getting a one variable. See here, I need to cancel here y so that I'll be getting x simply. So if I multiply 6 on both sides, if I so, what will be my first equation now? 24x
24x plus
y minus
6y
48. So what is going to be second equation? Let it be same.
minus y.
If you solve this to plus 6y minus 6y will get cancelled. So 24 minus 5, which is going to be 19x. 19x is equal to minus 38. So x is equal to what now?
38 upon
X is
19.
equal to minus 2.
Minus 2.
Why? Because 9 minus 2.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 0/6.
Y is equal to 0.
So if I substitute now x is equal to -2 in second equation. Substitute in second equation. You can substitute any equation.
0 by
-5 into
-6.
2.
So -5 into -2.
10 by 3 is the answer. Isn't it?
Sir, it is -5 into -2, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's
minus
-5
Oh,
into -2.
sorry. My bad. So what I'm going to get now?
0, sir. It's -6 plus equal to
Will
0.
be 0.
Yeah, 0.
0, sir.
And y, the final value of y is 0/6.
So very good. So x and y is what now? 0.
0/6.
So very good, children. So thank you. Today's session is this is what the today's session is all about. So thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye.